everybody doing today? My name is Hayden Wendell. I'm your realtor here in College Station, Texas. Today I have an awesome home for y'all today. It is listed at $1.1 million here. It's a 4-bed, 3.5 bath, over 4,400 square feet. You're on nearly an acre and a quarter, 3-car garage. It is an awesome Hooper custom home here in College Station. New build, never lived in before. Like I said, no waiting list. You don't have to wait a year to get into it. This is ready to be moved into right now. So let's go check it out. Right away, whenever you walk in, you'd see these giant tiles that go all throughout the house, leading you to the den. But before we get to the den, I want to show y'all this. We have a home office here, looking right out at the door, or right outside the windows. You have these great glass pane French doors kind of closing off the office if you want it to. Then right across you do have your formal dining area. You can fit a massive table here, and just look at the detail of the woodwork, the details throughout the whole house, the crown molding. I mean, they have spared no expense on this house. Next, you do have your den here. Like I said, the tiles go all the way through. You have this stone fireplace, room for a TV. Up next, whenever you go to the kitchen, I mean, right here you do have this bar. You have this black countertop that's going to be, you'll see all throughout the house here. But we'll go into the kitchen, y'all can check it out. So you have this little breakfast nook area, room for a small table, just kind of eat with the family on normal days. But here, I mean, if you like to entertain, you like to cook, this is a great kitchen for it. Look at this. Lights under the cabinets, farm sink, same black countertop that you saw a minute ago. That's going to be throughout the same house. You have the stainless steel appliance package with a great glass backsplash here. On this side of the house, whenever you go through it, you do have the guest suite here, and it's not often that you get to say on this wing of the house, but with over 4,400 square feet, you really do get to have your own private guest wing off of the kitchen. It's kind of just, the guests only. They don't have to worry about being in the space of the family. They can kind of be secluded. Like I said, same black countertops, no mirrors yet. Like I said, it is a new build home. And here's the shower here. All right, now that's the end of this wing of the house. I'm going to meet y'all over in the master bedroom next. All right, and on the opposite side of the house, you have this long hallway leading towards your primary suite. Now, it's not staged right now, sadly, but here you can kind of just get a feel for how big of a room this is. You do have access to the backyard with that door right there, but you have room for a reading area, a place to hang out if you want to have another desk in the house if both people need a home office. You have room for a desk right there where it's not overwhelmingly taking up the rest of the bathroom or the rest of the bedroom. Now for the bathroom, like I said, you do have these same black countertops, but you have different tile here all throughout. No mirrors yet, like the other room, but those will be put on. You can just see the details in here and how beautiful a bathroom this is. With this shower here, same tiles throughout. And then you also have the third shower head up there. Not often do you get to see 3 shower heads. Good bathtub here. Sit in after a long day at work. You have what I like to call the Harry Potter closet, just an extra closet here, but that's not the whole thing. Your whole master primary closet is right here with built-ins already, built-in shelves, built-in spots for shoes over here. I mean, like I said earlier, they did not spare any expense for this house. I can't imagine anyone would have any issues with this closet, and if you can fill it up, well then congratulations to you. That is a great wardrobe you have there. But up next, I'm gonna meet y'all upstairs to finish the rest of the inside of the house. Real quick before we go upstairs, I do just want to remind y'all, if y'all are liking these house tours, feel free, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you like to see. Let me know that you're enjoying these, and I'll be more than happy to get more of these videos out to y'all. Like I said, just leave a like, comment, and subscribe, please. All right, now that we are upstairs, I want to first go into this room right here. It's more of a multi-purpose room. You could turn it into a media room, a workout room, game room, playroom for the kids. It has such a good amount of space here that it can really match whatever your family is needing with a big room like this. Immediately here you do have one bedroom here. Views of the neighborhood throughout it. Good sized bedroom with closet attached to it. Built-ins just like downstairs. You do have the same black countertops with the black faucets. Connecting it is a Jack and Jill bathroom. Around here you do have, like I said, same countertops. You're going to see those in every room. Then one other bedroom. All right, so that is the upstairs of the house. I'll meet y'all out back for the last part. All right, now we are here in the backyard. Like I said, this house sits on nearly 1.25 acres, and you can just see the endless opportunities with this backyard. If you want a pool, you have, room for a pool. Your lot backs up to a pond, which is just a great view there. You do have this covered patio right here, place to sit, enjoy. If you want to have a room for barbecue, there's plenty of room to do that out here. Just endless opportunities with a great lot to make a perfect house even better. But this is the backyard. Appreciate y'all coming along.